So we are going to make a toy fan. The things which are needed are a small plastic bottle, a rib of a coconut tree leaf, that is our irked, okay, then thread, few beads, and a cardboard piece is also needed. So first of all, we'll make holes each on the lid, bottom and side of the bottle. So first we'll make the hole on the lid. Now on the side the hole is ready. Now one more hole is needed at the bottom. Okay. So on the top, on the side and at the bottom. Now the bottle is ready. Now a cardboard piece is needed and we have to cut out the leaves of a fan from this cardboard. Okay, so the leaves are ready. Using scissors or knife we can do it. Next one is to tie the thread onto the rib of coconut leaf. At the middle of the rib we are going to tie it. Now we are going to insert it into the bottle through the holes. Pass the rib through the bottom and top holes in the plastic bottle such that the rib moves freely. So the rib should be able to move freely. In such a way we have to insert it. The thread should be taken out through the hole in the middle. That means at the side of the bottle we had made a hole. Through that hole we have to take the thread out. Now fix the bead at the top of the rib. Okay, another bead if you want, you can insert it at the bottom part also, so that the rib remains intact. Now on the leaf blades, just make a hole to insert the rib of the coconut leaf, and here we are going to fix the leaves of the fan on the bead. You can use glue also. Here I am not using glue, so glue can also be used. Here instead I am keeping a bead, so it will remain intact. Now the thing is almost ready. Yes, so when we are turning the fan, turning the leaves of the fan, there are chances for this string to move inside. So in order to avoid that, we are tying a bead or something like that at the end of the string, so that it will not move to the inner part of the bottle. Now the fan is ready. We can just pull the string. You can see the fan rotating.